Welcome to our latest video, Best 3D Printer 2025. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the top 3D printers of the year, showcasing their features, capabilities, and what sets them apart in the rapidly evolving world of 3D printing. Whether you're a beginner looking to dive into this exciting technology or a seasoned pro seeking to upgrade your setup, we've got you covered with expert insights and recommendations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos that keep you at the forefront of 3D printing innovation. Let's get started on finding the perfect 3D printer for your needs in 2025. Number 6. The Prusa Core. One stands out as an exceptional choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. After extensive testing and comparison with other models, it's clear that this printer is designed with precision in mind. Right out of the box, the assembly process is straightforward, thanks to its well-organized instructions and quality components. The robust build of the Prusa Core 1 ensures stability during printing, which is crucial for achieving accurate results. This model features a rigid frame that minimizes vibrations, allowing for smoother prints and finer details. One of the standout features of the Prusa Core 1 is its superior print quality. During our testing, we printed a variety of models, from intricate designs to practical functional parts, and the results were consistently impressive. The layers are well-defined, and even the most complex geometries came out clean and precise. Whether you're working on a detailed prototype or a simple object, the accuracy of this printer is sure to meet your expectations. Moreover, the printer is compatible with a wide range of filament types, which adds versatility for different projects. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate and adjust settings as needed. Another advantage of the Prusa Core 1 is its active community and support. With numerous online resources, forums, and user groups, finding help and inspiration is easy, enhancing the overall 3D printing experience. Number 5. The Creality K2 Plus combo truly shines in both areas. After extensive testing and comparison with other models, it's clear that this printer is not just another addition to the market. It's a game changer for hobbyists and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the K2 Plus combo is its smart multi-material capability. This printer allows you to use a variety of filament types seamlessly, enabling you to create complex designs with ease. Whether you're printing in PLA, ABS, or even flexible filaments, the K2 Plus handles it all without compromising on quality. The ability to switch materials mid-print is a significant advantage, opening up new avenues for creativity and innovation. The print quality is exceptional, with fine details and smooth finishes that rival much more expensive models. Thanks to its advanced dual-drive extruder system, the K2 Plus ensures consistent and accurate material flow, minimizing issues like clogging and warping. During our testing, we produced intricate designs and functional parts with impressive precision, showcasing the printer's capability to handle both artistic and practical applications. Ease of use is another hallmark of the K2 Plus combo. The setup process is straightforward, and the intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigating settings a breeze. For those who may be new to 3D printing, the included software and user guides provide ample support, making the learning curve much less daunting. Number 4. The Anycubic Kobra S1 combo truly shines in this regard. After extensive testing and comparison with several other models, it's clear that this printer offers exceptional accuracy and reliability for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. The first thing that stands out about the Anycubic Kobra S1 combo is its build quality. The sturdy frame ensures stability during printing, which is crucial for achieving high-quality results. The assembly process is straightforward, with clear instructions that make it accessible even for those new to 3D printing. Once set up, the printer is ready to deliver impressive results right out of the box. One of the standout features of the Kobra S1 combo is its advanced leveling system, which significantly simplifies the calibration process. The auto-bed leveling feature ensures that the first layer is laid down perfectly, reducing the chances of failures and enabling prints to adhere better to the build plate. This makes a world of difference when it comes to achieving precision and consistency in your projects. The print quality is where the Kobra S1 really excels. It produces detailed prints with sharp edges and smooth surfaces, thanks to its high-resolution capabilities. Whether you're creating intricate designs or larger models, the accuracy is impressive, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from hobbyist projects to professional use. Another notable aspect is the user-friendly interface. The intuitive touchscreen display allows for easy navigation through settings and print jobs. Number 3. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is an excellent choice for beginners. This compact printer combines simplicity with impressive performance, making it a standout in the entry-level market. One of the key features of the A1 Mini Combo is its intuitive setup process. Out of the box, it's incredibly user-friendly, allowing newcomers to get started with minimal hassle. The accompanying software is straightforward and offers various presets, which means you can start printing in no time, without diving deep into complex settings. The print quality is where the A1 Mini truly shines. We tested it with various materials and found that it consistently produced crisp, detailed prints with excellent layer adhesion. Whether you're working on intricate models or simpler designs, the results are impressive for a printer in this price range. The build size is adequate for most beginner projects, providing enough space for a variety of prints without feeling overwhelming. Additionally, the A1 Mini Combo features a sturdy construction that instills confidence in its durability, ensuring it can handle the rigors of regular use. Another highlight is its dual extruder capability, which allows for multi-material printing. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for creative projects, giving beginners a taste of advanced printing techniques without the steep learning curve typically associated with them. For those concerned about safety and ease of use, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo includes several thoughtful features, such as an enclosed build chamber. Number 2. The Creality K1 SE 2024 version is a standout choice that should be at the top of your list. After extensive testing and comparisons with several budget models, we've determined that this printer offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. The K1 SE boasts a user-friendly setup process, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned makers alike. With a build volume of 235 x 235 x 250 mm, it provides ample space for a variety of projects, from detailed miniatures to larger functional prints. Its impressive print speed of up to 200 mm ensures that you won't be left waiting long for your creations to come to life. One of the standout features of the K1 SE is its upgraded printing technology, which includes a powerful direct drive extruder that handles a wide range of filaments with ease. This, combined with its heated print bed, significantly reduces the chances of warping and ensures a strong first-layer adhesion. Whether you're working with PLA, ABS, or even flexible filaments, this printer delivers consistent results. In terms of design, the K1 SE is compact and aesthetically pleasing, making it a great addition to any workspace. Its sturdy construction minimizes vibrations, which is crucial for maintaining print quality, especially at higher speeds. Plus, the touchscreen interface is intuitive, allowing for easy navigation and adjustments. Number 1. The ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is a game-changer. After extensively testing various resin printers, it's clear that this model stands out for its precision, speed, and user-friendly features. For hobbyists and professionals alike, the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K offers exceptional detail, making it the best resin 3D printer on the market today. One of the most impressive aspects of the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is its incredible resolution. With a staggering 16K monochrome LCD screen, it produces stunningly detailed prints that bring your designs to life. Whether you're printing intricate miniatures or complex models, the clarity is unmatched, reducing the need for post-processing and saving you valuable time. The build volume is another highlight. With ample space for larger projects, you won't have to sacrifice detail for size. The printer's sturdy construction and robust design ensure that it can handle the demands of frequent use, and its excellent thermal management system prevents overheating, allowing for longer print sessions without interruption. User experience is also a strong suit of the Saturn IV Ultra 16K. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze, and the setup process is straightforward, even for those new to resin printing. Additionally, the printer is compatible with a wide range of resins, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials to achieve the best results.